Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to find liked videos on Pinterest. So let's get into it. First of all, launch the Pinterest app. For example, if I scroll down, if I just like any of the video here, basically what you have to do is tap on your profile icon in the bottom right, click the three dots in the upper right corner, and go to Settings. Then click on Home Feed Tuner. Then select History. Here you can view and save all your liked videos. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.